In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla not charging or the charger not working in your Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or other Tesla models. If your car isn't charging, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by checking the charging cable and connector for any visible damage or debris. Clean the charging port on your Tesla using a soft brush or cloth to remove dirt, dust, or moisture that might be interfering with the connection. Ensure the charging cable is securely plugged into both the car and the power source. Next, try using a different charging method. If you're using a home charger, switch to a mobile connector or a public charging station, or vice versa. This helps determine if the issue is with the charger itself or the car. For public chargers, ensure the station is operational by checking its status via the Tesla app or the Charging Network's app. If the charger still isn't working, reset your car's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, attempt to charge again. Check the charging settings in your Tesla. Go to Controls Charging and ensure there are no restrictions, such as a scheduled charging time or a maximum charge limit that might prevent charging. Adjust these settings if necessary. For situations where the car isn't recognizing the charger, inspect the 12-volt battery. A weak or failing 12-volt battery can cause issues with charging and other systems. If you suspect the 12-volt battery is the problem, contact Tesla service or replace it following the instructions in your owner's manual. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the car's charging port, onboard charger, or wiring. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the issue. If this video helped you fix your Tesla not charging issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.